All right, to business news now. We're over to Mike Eppel with what's happening today. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Melanie. We're looking at your mortgage rates after the Bank of Canada held the line on interest rate policy at its monthly meeting yesterday afternoon, or yesterday morning, actually, and the subsequent fallout on the market. Well, we're looking at the prospects for interest rates holding steady, and some of the mortgage rate watchers say big banks could actually lower some borrowing costs because of what we've been seeing in the bond market recently, where they get their trend-setting rate levels. But the Bank of Canada citing the recent volatility in the energy market and the slowing housing sales in both Vancouver and Toronto as reasons to stay on the sidelines, at least in the near term. Restructuring in the auto industry to start the year. The Ford Motor Company announcing, or rumored to be, getting ready to do a big restructuring through its European operations. Reports this morning indicating the automaker is looking at cutting thousands of jobs and potentially closing plants in Europe to rebalance and get that part of its business back to profitability. Ford in Europe has struggled for years from a profitability standpoint. Jaguar Land Rover is also reportedly getting ready to cut jobs in the UK and shut down some of its diesel engine operations, again, because of emission issues and other factors. But start of the year, seeing some volatility in the auto industry. Of course, General Motors late last year announcing restructuring of its North American plants, including the pending shutdown of GM Oshawa. Price for oil on pace this morning to snap a big winning streak to start the year. Oil's been up 8 days in a row coming into today's trade. It has rebounded significantly from the 18-month low that was reached on Christmas Eve, when oil was down sharply over the later stages of 2018. Since then, it's been going up ever since, up 8 days in a row, a gain of 23%. Not to talk that even as OPEC cuts production, the U.S. oil output is at record highs, and that could keep supply levels elevated. And the stock markets have also been on a nice rally. The TSX coming off a gain of 200 points. And Devo yesterday, the pot stock saw a big pop. Got a buy recommendation from a U.S. brokerage. Canopy was up 13%, Aurora up 8%, so we'll see if that trend holds and leads Bay Street to another winner today. Awesome. Back to you.